Okay, children, in this I am going to show you in the same feature where the side of one slope is less steep and the other one is more steep, and how when you will draw the contour line they will appear. So we start with the base. Imagine that this is an island which has got one side of the slope very steep on one side and less steep, and it is oval shaped island surrounded by water. Okay, so we start with the obviously always the 0 meter, that is the sea level line, and this time I have taken the brown color just so that you can actually see what the contour line looks like in your survey map. So I have made the first contour line which is of the sea level 0. Now the next contour line which is at the height of 1 centimeter on both the sides. Now if you see over here, this much distance we are traveling horizontally and this much vertically. Vertically in every case is the same, but horizontally we are traveling on the less steep slope much longer, much longer, much longer. And on the very steep side, if you see vertically and horizontally, this point less, from here to here, very less, less. Okay, so this is basically what you have to understand in a contour line and how they are going to look like. So that was 0, then this is 1, then again we come to the height of 2 and we draw the next contour line which is of 2, then we draw the next one which is from here to here, and the next one is 3, and then the next which is again the peak over here which was going to be 4. And now you can very distinctly see that how on the less steep side the gap of the contour line from here to here is this gap. Then from here to here is this gap. And from here to here, this gap is what you see over here. On this side, if you take a vertical line here and then you see this much gap only. So only this much gap is there. From here to here, only this much gap. So again you will see a very small gap. I hope children, the very simple concept that the distance between the contour line gives us the idea of the gradient. How steep the slope is, gradient means the angle of the slope, how this angle is steep or less steep. This is the less steep and this is the more steep one. I'm going to show it to you all in the map here, children. And as you can see in the survey maps, especially in the white portion, that the contour lines are made over here. I'll make another separate video for that.